This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. Right now, a massive rotation is quietly sweeping through Wall Street. And if you are sitting on cash or holding the wrong assets, you are actively watching your purchasing power melt away while a select group of investors build generational wealth. Every single day you hesitate, the market's strongest, most explosive runners are breaking past major psychological resistance levels, leaving retail traders empty-handed and chasing the top. If you don't know exactly where the smart money is flowing over the next 24 months, you aren't just missing out on the standard market rally, you are completely opting out of the single greatest AI infrastructure supercycle our generation will ever see. In this video, I'm stripping away the mainstream media's noise to rank the top 5 stocks positioned to dominate this massive upward trajectory. I am tracking high-powered semiconductor breakthroughs that are redefining device charging and data center efficiency alongside massive legacy tech titans undergoing explosive structural turnarounds. I will dive deep into specialized high-performance AI data center operators that are actively securing billions in institutional financing, enterprise software juggernauts posting triple-digit commercial growth with an unprecedented premium valuation, and cloud infrastructure legends sitting on mind-boggling $500 billion in contracted backlogs. I will be looking at Wall Street upgrades, massive multi-year price targets, and the exact capitulation floors where smart money has set an unbreakable line in the sand. This is your definitive data-backed roadmap to the ultimate bull market, and do not skip any part of this video or you could miss out on some of the most potentially strong investments in this generation. And remember, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock. Be safe out there, protect your capital, as the stock market has no guarantees and it's inherently risky, and make sure the stocks that I talk about in this video fit your personal goals and needs. The number 5 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is Navitas. Navitas is a pure play pioneer in next generation power electronics, specializing in gallium nitride, GaN, and silicon carbide, SiC chips. These advanced wide bandgap semiconductors replace traditional silicon, delivering drastically faster charging speeds, superior energy efficiency, and minimized footprints across consumer electronics, electric vehicle, and massive AI data center power supplies. Navitas fundamentally changes how energy is converted, allowing technology to run cooler and consume significantly less power. They hold a clear edge over standard silicon peers because their proprietary GaN fast and Gene SiC technology offer up to 3 times higher power density and up to 40% energy savings. And while Navitas is the highest risk speculative pick on this list due to near-term range-bound volatility and limited visibility on immediate 800-volt socket allocations, the company's operational trajectory is rapidly turning a corner. Analysts recently delivered a major upgrade to the near-term forecast, lifting a 2026 revenue expectation to $42 million after a sequential revenue beat and raise. Financially, their history of beating earnings shows a net loss contraction down to 4 cents per share, alongside accelerating sequential revenue growth. Wall Street targets reflect this massive long-term option value. Consensus expectations place the 1 to 3 year price targets somewhere between the $23 to $26 range, which we've already achieved, and the 3 to 5 year horizon scaling as high as $30 to $40, and the 5-year plus potential reaching well into the $50 plus to $80 plus dollars. As GaN achieves mass market penetration, this becomes more and more likely. This is an optimal speculative investment right now because the stock has experienced an extensive capitulation floor in the past between $8 to $10 and now more recently between $15 to $19, with recent technical support firmly established in the $15 to $19 range, making it a highly asymmetric risk to reward play at the absolute bottom of the semiconductor cycle. Look, finding hidden gems like Navitas before they explode is exactly what we do. If you want real-time trade alerts, entry points, advanced option strategies, and all of the strategies that I teach in Discord, which are the same strategies that helped me grow my $900 micro challenge account to over $8,000 in a year, and the same time frame grew my $250,000 account to over $1.7 million. If you want to learn how to grow your portfolio and achieve achieve your goals the same way I did with these accounts and over 3,000 students over the past 3 years, I would love to help you grow your portfolio. And this year and next year are likely to be the strongest years in the stock market that we've had in quite some time. AI and quantum are just getting started. You guys don't want to miss out on these opportunities. The link to get started with the Discord is in the information box below. I look forward to helping you very soon. The number 4 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is Intel. Intel Corporation is a legacy semiconductor giant currently executing one of the most aggressive and highly anticipated structural turnarounds in corporate history. The company designs and manufactures microprocessors and chipsets, but its core investment thesis now rests on its foundry-first transformation, spearheaded by its cutting-edge 18A production node and advanced EMIB die interconnect bridge packaging technologies. Intel is actively positioning itself to become the world's leading Western-based independent foundry, separating its design business from its manufacturing plants to build chips for third-party clients. They hold a distinct geopolitical and structural advantage over fabless peers because they possess massive domestic fabrication facilities backed by billions in federal CHIPS Act funding, providing a secure supply chain that no standard design firm can replicate. Wall Street's sentiment has shifted aggressively from skepticism to absolute turnaround optimism. I told everyone to buy AMD when it was $95 in February of 2025, live on YouTube, when everyone was calling it advanced money destroyer. And anyone who listened to me and invested in AMD made over 450% in just over a year. And this is just one of many of the dozens and dozens and dozens of trades that I put on Discord that has printed 50%, 100%, even 200% or more in likes of AMD, over 450%. HSBC recently led a major wave of upgrades, somewhat recently boosting Intel from a hold to a buy. They had their 1-year price target to $51. Intel crushed that. Frankly, pushed targets as high as $85 to $100. Intel crushed that as well. Intel's Q1 2026 earnings delivered a massive shock to the market, posting EPS of 29 cents, which shattered estimates of 1 cent EPS by a 28-cent beat, driving spectacular 14% single-day post-earnings rally. For the 3 to 5 year window, price targets are firmly modeled between $130 and $160. Looks like that's going to be broken pretty quickly, and 5-year price targets as high as $200 plus, and some analyst ratings are as high as $300. And this is happening as commercial customer deals, including preliminary interest from massive tech giants like Apple, begin filling the pipeline. Intel is such a phenomenal investment right now because the brutal multi-year capitulation floor that once was at $20 to $22 was completely locked in and then shattered as the stock took off. With an established structural support that was sitting in the $45 has now pushed into the high 90s, low 100s. A swing low into the $90 price range or low 100s would look to serve as a structural pivot and a structural floor. The market has made it very clear with Intel, the bottom is firmly behind this stock. The number 3 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is Applied Digital. Applied Digital designs, builds, and operates next-generation sustainable engineered digital infrastructure and high-performance data centers, which are tailored specifically for artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and hyperscaler workloads. Unlike traditional data center providers whose facilities are unequipped to handle the extreme power densities required by modern AI clusters, Applied Digital constructs sites from the ground up to support immense cooling and processing needs. They crush their peers in execution because they offer a significantly lower cost infrastructure model while simultaneously spinning off their accelerated compute cloud services business into Konoscale Corporation, allowing their data center business to scale independently with absolute capital efficiency. The financial data coming out of Applied Digital is breathtaking. And I've been saying this for a long time. I called it in my Discord when it was $6, $10, $18, and again at $28, and we've absolutely printed on it. In the fiscal Q3 2026 results, the company posted an adjusted revenue of $108.6 million and an adjusted net income of $33.2 million, backed by an absolute acceleration in demand from major hyperscalers whose capital expenditures have ballooned towards $700 billion. Analysts maintain an overwhelmingly strong buy consensus rating of 73%, recently raising the consensus price target to $54, indicating massive near-term upside. With stated long-term financial goal to exceed $1 billion in net operating income (NOI) within 5 years, multi-year price targets are heavily biased upwards. The 1 to 3 year price target sits between $55 and $100. The 3 to 5 year outlook scales from $85 to $150, and the 5 year plus horizon easily targets $120 to $200 as their long-term 15 to 30 year annuity streams kick into full gear. Applied Digital has shown a powerful history of beating earnings expectations, and with institutional capitulation floor well defined in the $22 to $28 range, and now looks like there's more support garnering around the $30 to $34 range, it seems this stock is primed to soar as more massive megawatt capacity comes online. The number 2 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is Palantir. Palantir is a premier enterprise software and artificial intelligence powerhouse that builds operational software platforms for modern institutions. Again, this is a stock that I originally called in my Discord at $12, $15, $18, $20, again at $25, $30, and $40, and it ran to over $200 at one point. And yet again, another trade that absolutely printed for my Discord. Through its core platforms Gotham, Foundry, and its legendary artificial intelligence platform AIP, Palantir enables organizations to integrate their data, decisions, and operations in a single cohesive deep learning ecosystem. Palantir completely outclasses its enterprise peers because its software doesn't just analyze data, it orchestrates it full-scale operational execution in real time, creating real sticky, unreplicable monopolies within both the United States defense sector and the commercial corporate world. And this happens through its rapid high-impact AIP boot camps. The company is currently riding an unprecedented AI supercycle, prompting monumental analyst upgrades. Citigroup recently upgraded Palantir to a definitive buy, raising its price target to an aggressive $225 to $245 on massive U.S. commercial momentum. While Wedbush's Dan Ives maintains a highly bullish $230 price target, Palantir's Q1 2026 earnings were an absolute blowout, with revenues climbing a massive 84.71% year over year to $1.6 billion, crushing the consensus estimates. And furthermore, the company boasts triple-digit growth in its remaining deal value, highlighting an explosive pipeline of remaining performance obligations that guarantee multi-year financial runway. While some bears point to its premium valuation multiple, institutions are aggressively accumulating shares. The 1 to 3 year price targets sit comfortably between $250 and scaling all the way to $380, and in the 3 to 5 years and tracking forward $500 plus on a 5+ macro scale. The stock has broken through all-time historical capitulation floors, establishing an ironclad structural support between 150 and 170, with an immediate macro support holding strong right below that. This makes any minor pullback an absolute gift for long-term investors. Before we get to the number 1 stock pick, you need to understand something. The exact strategies I use to turn my tiny micro $900 challenge account into $8,000 and explode my main portfolio from $250,000 to $1.7 million in the same time frame, just over a year, are the exact strategies I'm teaching inside my Discord daily right now. Do not sit on the sidelines while this market pushes higher. The link to get started in Discord is below. Let's win together, and let me show you what I can do for you to help you with your portfolio. I look forward to seeing you in the Discord real soon. The number 1 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is Oracle. Oracle stands as the undisputed number 1 stock to buy on this list, representing the ultimate powerhouse of cloud infrastructure and enterprise database software. Oracle operates the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure OCI ecosystem, providing highly specialized, ultra-fast, and cost-effective AI training and inference environments utilizing massive clusters of NVIDIA graphics processing units. Oracle is utterly dominating its hyperscaler cloud peers because its unique multi-cloud architecture and dedicated region deployments allow them to co-locate databases directly within competing clouds like AWS and Microsoft Azure, transforming formal rivals into massive distribution channels and securing a definitive moat in the next phase of enterprise AI infrastructure. The numbers backing Oracle are completely unprecedented. In its most recent fiscal quarter, total revenue surged 22% to $17.2 billion, marking the first time in over 15 years that both organic revenues and non-GAAP earnings beat Wall Street expectations by growing at 20% or more simultaneously. OCI growth skyrocketed by 84%, but the crown jewel of the data is Oracle's jaw-dropping remaining performance obligations, their RPOs, which surged an incredible 325% year over year to a monumental $553 billion in contracted future backlog, driven by monumental partnerships with OpenAI, Meta, and a classified U.S. Defense Department deal. Wall Street has aggressively upgraded the stock, with Wedbush issuing a fierce $275 to $300 price target, and Oppenheimer reiterating Oracle as an absolute top pick with a $250 to $270 price target. Given the massive monetization of this backlog accelerating into 2027 and 2028, the 1 to 3 year price target is set at $275. The 3 to 5 year target stands at $400 to $450, and the long-term intrinsic value models project the stock hitting $550 to $700 by 2030. After a steep, healthy market pullback from its 2025 highs, Oracle has hammered out a permanent capitulation floor in the 130 to 140 zone, with the recent macro support holding flawlessly at $180. And I told my Discord to get into stock at $136, and we are crushing it in the Discord and in my 10 trade challenge. And also, recent key technical resistances being recaptured as the support high at $195 to $200. Oracle is the single most asymmetric, fundamentally backed, and highly contracted mega cap growth engine in the entire stock market today. Look, I'm not perfect, but I've been right on the macro trend time and time again. And the strategies I teach in my Discord are the exact same ones I used to grow my $900 micro challenge account to over $8,000 and my $250,000 account to over $1.7 million. All of the stocks in this video, I've already given these trades to my Discord, and dozens of other trades that have all printed between 100 and 400% over the past 16 to 18 months. If you don't want to miss out on any more trades or understanding how to make money in this market like these top 5 stocks I gave you today, I look forward to helping you grow your portfolio. The link to get started with Discord is below. I look forward to seeing you in the Discord and in the next video. Take care of yourselves. One love, fam.